Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY that can help you with hair growth. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the first ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be a 1/4 cup of chamomile. Chamomile contains many essential vitamins that can have great benefits for healthy hair and scalp. These combined vitamins work together to repair and nourish cells, which helps to make the hair strands stronger. Using chamomile can lead to accelerated hair growth and fewer split ends. Chamomile soothes inflammation and detoxifies, which is excellent for hair follicle and regrowth. Chamomile can relieve itchy scalp, psoriasis, and other skin conditions. The second ingredient is going to be a 1/4 cup of hibiscus. Hibiscus is used in boosting hair growth as it is rich in vitamin C, which stimulates collagen production. It is rich in amino acids, which strengthen and nourish your hair roots, keeping your hair healthy. It also helps condition your hair, prevent hair fall, dryness, and frizziness. The third ingredient is going to be a 1/4 cup of Tulsi leaves, or also known as holy basil. When it comes to Tulsi benefits hair by controlling 4 types of fungal strands that may cause dandruff. Tulsi also helps in maintaining moisture in your scalp and improves blood circulation, reduces itchiness and dryness, strengthens the hair follicles, and makes the roots healthier. Also, the antioxidants present in Tulsi is very useful in treating premature graying of the hair as well as hair fall. And the fourth ingredient is going to be a 1/4 cup of witch hazel leaves. Witch hazel is believed to reduce hair loss by helping to grasp the hair follicle into the tissues of the scalp, helping to prevent hair loss. Witch hazel possesses anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and astringent properties. It is also helped to treat scalp conditions like inflammation, irritation, and redness. It is also used as an astringent, and it not only cleanses the scalp but also removes excessive oil. Its acidic pH may help to balance pH levels of the scalp. And the fifth ingredient is going to be 1 tablespoon of lavender. Lavender can help speed up hair growth. It also has properties that can generate the growth of cells and reduce stress. Also, lavender has antimicrobial properties, which helps to prevent bacteria and fungi growing. This also is helpful when it comes to a sensitive scalp, and it helps to prevent itchiness as well as dandruff. So now you just want to do the double boiler method to infuse the herbs into the oil. So you can use 1 to 2 cups of your favorite carrier oil. I'll be using a cup of avocado oil. Then you just want to place all the herbs into the bowl and then allow this to infuse for about 30 to 40 minutes. So after about 30 to 40 minutes, you just want to remove the bowl from the heat and allow the oil to cool down before you strain it. So after the oil has cooled down, then you just want to strain it using a cheesecloth. After you've strained the oil, just place it into an applicator bottle for easier application. So when it comes to the shelf life of this oil, it will last about 8 to 12 months. Just make sure that you keep it in a cool, dry area of your home. When it comes to the use of this hair oil, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. Just apply it to your hair and scalp like you would any hair growth oil. Also, you can use it as a hot oil treatment. So before you go into your wash day routine, just apply the oil all over your hair from root to ends. Let it sit for about 30 minutes and then you'll follow up with your shampoo and conditioner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.